Introducing the Viking Sport Cruiser 58 Flybridge motor yacht. This brand new model unites contemporary style and understated elegance with exhilarating performance, unrivaled accommodation, and genuine long-range cruising ability. The spacious Flybridge features a large J-shaped lounge with dinette table to starboard. All seating is covered in luxurious, upgraded cream and blue styled cushions. An inlaid refrigerator is conveniently accessible from the adjacent wet bar, which features a sink, electric grill, and storage. The centerline helm has seating for two and provides outstanding visibility both when underway and docking. In addition to her Caterpillar engine controls and bow thruster, a full complement of engine gauges are repeated here from the lower helm. Additionally, we've upgraded the navigational electronics here to include a second Furuno NavNet VX2 chart plotter radar display and increased the radar's range from the standard 48 nautical miles to 64 nautical miles. For listening ease, an AM/FM CD stereo system is provided. A smaller settee to port of the helm provides a cozy spot to lounge. All seating has canvas protective covers which can be easily stored in the large underseat compartments. Abaft the lounge, the large sunbed features two comfortable cushions and headrests, which all conveniently stow underneath. The bimini top supplies plenty of shade while maintaining an open and airy atmosphere. This vessel has been outfitted with close to 200 feet of anchor chain, a self-stowing anchor, and an electric windlass with a remote. The four-deck freshwater washdown system will help keep your ground tackle clean and preserve the beauty of your vessel. For added safety, her highly polished stainless steel bow rails offer the utmost in security and style. The aft deck lounge, with its large bench-style seating and accompanying cushions, is ideal for dockside entertaining or relaxing on a slow cruise. This yacht's integrated bathing platform has been equipped with the optional concealed transom davit to provide stowage for a tender if desired. Storing the short cords is easy via the electric Glendenning cable masters. For added comfort, custom speakers on the aft deck complete the pleasant mood. A brightly polished, stainless steel framed sliding glass door seamlessly joins the aft cockpit area to the salon. Exquisite cherry joinery abounds throughout the interior, accented with rich leather inlays and luxurious fabrics. The large forward windshield and upper and lower side windows provide perfect views of the seaside surroundings from anywhere on the main deck. The large U-shaped seating area to starboard faces a comfortable L-shaped lounge to port, providing the perfect arrangement for casual conversation. An entertainment center features the latest in audiovisual equipment, while the standard LCD TV cleverly conceals away at the touch of a button. Forward, the raised dinette comfortably accommodates 6 with panoramic views over the bow. At the helm, the standard electronics package has been upgraded to include Furuno Autopilot, RD30 depth and speed, as well as the enhanced Furuno extended range radar and chart plotter. Her Caterpillar engine controls, ICOM VHF, trim tabs, and bow thruster controls are all ergonomically laid out to provide intuitive control at this station. Abaft the helm, a unique bar area complete with ice maker, refrigerator, and bottle stowage is convenient to all areas on the main deck. Steps away from the salon and dinette, the galley features Aztec brown ebonite and teak sole. Amenities include a full-sized upright refrigerator freezer, microwave convection oven, stainless steel sink with garbage disposal and cutting board, and a washer-dryer. The VIP forward stateroom boasts a full-size berth with abundant storage. For entertainment, this suite offers a 15-inch LCD TV and AM/FM stereo CD/DVD playback. As an added bonus, each of the ship's CD/DVD systems includes a USB port for playback from MP3 players. Other amenities include a dressing table, an overhead deck hatch with integral screen and shade, and private access to the guest head. This head can be accessed from the forward stateroom or directly from the companionway and features unique touches such as a custom-designed rectangular sink and vanity, timber sole, and large shower with teak grating. To starboard, a sizable guest cabin with twin berths continues the spacious lower accommodation and sets new standards for a craft in this size range. Even this stateroom is equipped with an LCD TV and complete multimedia entertainment system, as well as a hanging locker and plenty of storage both overhead and below. Endless waterside views and natural light abound in the full-beam midship master stateroom thanks to the 6 vertical port lights. A full-size walk-around berth is located centerline for ease of access. To port, an intricate dressing table doubles as a desk. The ensuite private head features a unique vanity with synchronized sliding mirrors which conceal a port light. This arrangement allows for a combination of viewing and privacy options. Back out on the aft deck, her incredibly spacious lazarette and engine room can be accessed through large hatches in the sole. Her original engine package has been upgraded to twin Caterpillar C15CR diesels rated at 865 horsepower each, which allow her to easily cruise with an average speed in the mid-30 knots. Supplementary systems include a contaminated fuel warning system and an oil change system for the main engines, transmission, and 17.5 kilowatt Onan generator. With a blend of beautiful lines, advanced technology, and class-leading accommodations, the new 58 Flybridge yacht offers the best of all worlds for today's cruising family. And of course, as a Galati yacht owner, you can be part of a very special group who enjoy all that yachting has to offer, backed by unsurpassed customer support. Contact Galati Yacht Sales to arrange your showing today.